What is original jurisdiction in law? Have you ever wondered how a legal case gets its start? The answer lies in a concept called original jurisdiction. This term refers to the authority of a court to hear a case for the very first time. It means that the court with original jurisdiction is the one that conducts the initial trial, examines the facts, applies the law, and makes a decision. This is different from appellate jurisdiction, where a higher court reviews a decision made by a lower court instead of hearing the case from the beginning. In most legal systems, original jurisdiction is typically held by trial courts. These are the courts that first handle various types of cases, including criminal cases, civil disputes, and family law matters. For example, in the United States, federal district courts have original jurisdiction over federal criminal and civil cases. Similarly, state trial courts have original jurisdiction over cases that arise under state law. Interestingly, the United States Supreme Court also has original jurisdiction, but only in specific situations as outlined by the Constitution. These include cases involving ambassadors, public ministers, and disputes where a state is a party. In these unique cases, parties can bring their case directly to the Supreme Court without it first being heard by lower courts. However, the Supreme Court's original jurisdiction is limited and often shared with lower federal courts, depending on the nature of the case. From the perspective of a courtroom, original jurisdiction plays a vital role. It determines where a case begins and which court is responsible for gathering evidence, hearing witnesses, and making initial rulings. This foundational aspect shapes the entire judicial process and influences how justice is administered. In essence, original jurisdiction is about a court's power to hear a case first. It sets the stage for legal proceedings and is a fundamental concept that defines the structure and function of courts within the legal system. Understanding this concept helps clarify how cases move through the legal landscape and the roles different courts play in the process.